This is my 5-inch lifted AU Falcon. We welded some springs in the rear. Have a look at that, oof. And we made spaces in the front so we could lift this thing 3 inches, but we accidentally lifted it 4 inches. Yeah, boy. Let's see if it passes the head test. And today, we're gonna test it off-road.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
After our encounter with the police who just wanted to check out our monster truck converted AU Falcon, we set off to a top secret location where we could put this thing to the test. About an hour into the drive, the empty fuel light came on, and there wasn't a fuel station for another 20 minutes. But luckily, the Beastos Prado made it. Alright guys, we have made it to the top secret location, Joel's farm. Last time we were here, we destroyed another AU Falcon. It's here somewhere, we're gonna go check it out, right?
Over there, I don't know if you remember the white one. See it now. It's been on its side since.
Yeah, you've been using it as a parts car, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got a Falcon up there. I took heaps of parts off it for my box. I don't think it ran anywhere with the Vegemite.
Anyway, we're going to be testing this thing today to see how capable it is. But of course, we don't have any muddies on it. We're running standard tires. Anyway, let's get it off the trailer. We don't need ramps to get this thing off the trailer, right? This thing's built to last, mate. All right, let's get this thing going, boy. Mate, the lock diff is gonna make this thing too capable. Look at that. Oh my God, why is there a chair on top of it?
It's the upstairs sitting room.
Look, the upstairs sitting
Still opens.
Oh, beautiful.
See it all?
Look at that.
It smells like Vegemite.
The whole farm smells like shit. If you don't know what's going on, a while ago we tested if Vegemite was a suitable replacement for engine oil in an AU Falcon. Go watch that video if you want to see what happened to that AU.
I bet you there's like Vegemite cans still around here.
I'm pretty sure I spent like $100 on Vegemite last time.
Alright, I'm closing the cap. Use 10W30.
10W30 or Vegemite? Oh, yuck! How much to drink, Max? Anyway, let's get back to testing the 4-inch lifted AU Falcon, starting off with some donuts. Hey, you can't even bog this thing. Special guest here, guys.
What it do, kid?
Got Mr. Yorak 420 over here.
That's me.
Oh. That was easy, mate.
Any other car would have got bombed.
Somehow, this AU Falcon managed to get through everything, so we had to put it through some harder tests. Oh shit! Somehow, this AU Falcon is still lasting. A lot of you guys in the comments were talking about how I welded 2 springs together. Well, guess what? It's still connected. Buddy!
See there in the mud?
Look, I'm not gonna lie, I also thought they were gonna break within the, first like 5 minutes of taking it off the trailer. Now, all my previous cars before would not make it through any sort of water hole, but I'm pretty confident that this AU Falcon will. This, mate, is pretty hectic. This is pretty gnarly. The AU Falcon has not got stuck yet, which is shocking. It's a 2-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, and it still hasn't got stuck. What's going on?
Just a machine.
It's just a machine.
The chocolate milkshake test.
Uh-oh, we've got smoke.
never filming for Rex again. Seatbelts on?
Bro, you're covered in dirt, mate.
What do you mean?
Sandy, give me more beans, mate. More beans. Second. Bro, look how muddy you are.
I know, man. Whose fault's that?
My camera's cooked.
What do you mean?
Oh. Oh, shit. How is it still going? AU Falcons are the best cars in the world. Okay, we finally managed to bog the thing. Look, we can't get it out. God damn it. That's all your fault, bro.
Payback for this. What a machine.
We got the rescue car over here. You can barely tell, but it's a Forester.
It was a Forester.
It was a Forester. What happened, mate?
Push it out.
Oh, he's gonna push it out?
I just don't want to get a tail light. Don't. You were like, no. Yeah, bud.
Mate, driver photo card must have displayed. Oh, it is.
Alright guys, so we are now at the infamous dam wall. This is where somehow we managed to get the other AU Falcon down here. But that thing didn't have a 3-inch lift.
This one has.
This one does have a 3-inch lift.
Whoa.
I keep saying 3-inch, but it's really a 5-inch lift. Let's be real. 10 out of 10, this thing will make it up that damn wall.
3 out of 10. It's gonna drive straight into it and then start spinning the rear wheels.
0. It is not getting up it. There is no chance.
Damn pessimists.
Oh.
A man once said, if you believe something will happen, it simply will. One more attempt! One more attempt!
Damn. Mate, she's got some angle on her.
Unfortunately, this beast of a car only had straight tires on it, so next time we're going to come back with some muddies. Anyway, because it couldn't make it up the hill, we decided to try go down the hill.
Once you get that front left down,
Look at the flex on this side! Holy! I'm gonna roll! Oh my God. I'm gonna roll!
You'll be fine.
you won't roll. It's straighten up when you go down. You're committed now.
He actually missed the tree.
Jesus.
Easy. I'm gonna roll!
Did you see how high the rear was in the air? When you came down, it was like on an angle. It was like, phew.
Bro, that's some insane flex. I did say that I was going to be out flexing the noobs.
Yeah.
AU Falcon still lasting, not surprised, but I now think it's time to pay respects to the old AU Falcon that we left here on Joel's farm about a year ago. We need to properly kill this thing, so how do you reckon we're gonna get this AU on top of this one?
I don't know, we need to find a ramp or something.
I'm not on top of it.
Oh, my bumper! Ah, look, it's smiling. It's smiling, guys.
You need more speed.
My bumper! I think this is a bad idea. I mean, we do have a junkyard here. We have all the cars in the world, so...
Oh, you know what we'll do? We'll go the trailer ramps with the hire trailer. I'll go right a bit. Right a bit. Let's go left.
Mate, all the exhaust fumes are coming into the cabin because there's like 50 million different holes down in here. Oh. Unfortunately, the AU was not able to power through on top of the other AU, so we got help with the Forester.
Yeah, the impact. Oh, I must make sure it doesn't smash that window though. Eh? Yeah, go. Oh. Go. I think it's taking a bite out of the bonnet, look.
This is how little baby AU Falcons are made.
Oh, that bumper is going to die.
He just blew that give way sign.
The challenges today were definitely easy. This AU Falcon only got bogged once on the wettest, dirtiest farm possible, and considering it's only two-wheel drive, that's pretty damn impressive. Now obviously we didn't want to absolutely destroy the car because we have some big plans for this thing. We need some 33-inch muddies, a snorkel, and the goal is to really make this thing a capable off-road car. We're going to put crash bars on, spotties, so we're far from done. The AU did make it home all in one piece. As you can see here, we loaded up onto the trailer, and surprisingly the only damage that we got today was on the front bumper. What an absolute weapon. If you want to see part 2, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.